Okay, now we on workshop. This is a main workshop for automotive department, and in this workshop we have 4 car in over there. In this workshop, this equipment very close each other because in this semester we don't practice directly because effect of COVID-19. We still online learning. Okay, in this room we have many equipment for powertrain course like this. We have transmission, matic transmission about CVT transmission and conventional transmission. We have also automatic transmission like that, and this is conventional transmission. And for this side we have equipment for brake, steering and suspension system. For brake and steering suspension course we have in this equipment like this simulator electronic power steering. This is electronic power steering, and we also discover for practice about how to dismantling wheel and brake. For the first semester for student college, we practice about basic science of automotive like this. This is for diesel engine, and this is supply for gasoline engine. Like this, still gasoline engine. So we can look about all our components because this is is very clearly we can teach to student college. And we also have for 2-stroke engine for basic science. This engine, many engine, because we speak about gasoline engine and diesel engine. In this workshop, we have gasoline engine conventional, still use carburetor like this. Why we still practice about this about carburetor? Because for the basic science, we still need how works about system in carburetor to implementation in electronic fuel engine. Besides gasoline engine, we also have diesel engine, still conventional like this. We have diesel engine like this, and this is single cylinder for diesel engine. Besides conventional diesel engine, we also electronic fuel injection for diesel engine. We call this engine is common rail injection system. This still good condition. And for gasoline engine, we have injection fuel system. Okay, in this workshop we have so many engine stand for autotronic course because this engine stand consists of electronic fuel injection system like this. And this engine we have 2 types of ignition system. We call ignition about integrated ignition assembly because this still have distributor like this engine, and upper there. All of this engine still good condition. And besides this ignition type, we have the other ignition system. We call distributorless ignition or DLI system like this and like this. All of these engine stands still good condition. Besides engine stand, we used to practice for autotronic course and maintenance course like this car over there. In this engine, we also dismantling and maintaining and checking about VVTi and distributorless ignition system and electronic fuel injection system. The student college also can learning about engine in this type. We can use scan tool for this engine, and we can practice to checking sensor in this engine and the others. In engine we practice in this car, and for checking about variable for optimum intelligence we practice in this car. We also use scan tool in this car. Okay. Next, this is example about scan tool we have in this workshop. This used for each car in workshop to practice about checking about malfunction in engine, malfunction sensor, and etc. This is another type of scan tool. We have many kind of scan tool, but this is still general scan tool, not specific, because we have many connector, so we can flexible for each car with variant of products. This is equipment we call about a for-gas analyzer for measure emission from engines, from car. Next we have bicycle use electrical, so we call electrical bicycle. And next we have simulator for hydraulic and pneumatic system. Next we have simulator for pneumatic and hydraulics course. We practice also for basic of heavy equipment course, like this for attachment, double acting for pneumatic. This simulator for hydraulic system we can use in hydraulics and pneumatic course and heavy equipment course. So the student college can learn about control valve, about hydraulic motor, about double acting cylinder, and the others. And this is a simulator for heavy equipment, and this is for a heavy equipment course. We have lighting tower, like this, and over there we have forklift for practice in heavy equipment course. This is room for tool room, and you can see all of tool in this here. We use this tool for practice all of course in this workshop. We also small component like motor starter, carburetor, alternator for practice. We have battery charging to support when we practice of engine stand. To use battery, if lower, we use this tool to charge. This is auto lift room. In this room we have car lift to lift the car, so we can practice and can see parts of component of car from under car. Beside equipment on main workshop, we also another workshop for like this for motorcycle. We can see that in this room we can practice about all of motorcycle, both of conventional engine and injection engine. So we have so many motorcycle and simulator like this. In this room, the student college can install and removing or dismantling all of parts in motorcycle like this, so we can practice better. We also have all of simulator over there for make sure student college to practice for motorcycle. This is tool for practice for motorcycle like this, and we have so safety symbol for student college to be careful when practice. We also have vehicle testing workshop. In this workshop we can test, but do not test for vehicle. We can practice that. We have also This motorcycle dino test motorcycle. And over there we have suspension tester, brake tester. This is the notice for vehicle. We have prepared to install for this car. This equipment is we call brake tester. We use to measure how force every wheel. So we can know from this tester how much efficiency of that car. Beside brake tester, we have side seat tester. You can know from this tool, from this equipment, to measure distance about front wheel of car. All about explanation of equipment and tool in workshop of Automotive Department. Thank you very much for your attention.